Motorola Razr 5G India launch set for October 5, to be offered via Flipkart. Motorola Razr 5G is all set to launch in India in October 5. The company has revealed the India launch date and has also announced availability on Flipkart. The Motorola Razr 5G was unveiled last month, and it is now arriving in the Indian market. This phone is the successor to last year's Motorola Razr foldable phone. Key specifications of the Motorola Razr 5G include a 6.2-inch plastic OLED main flexible display and a 48-megapixel primary camera. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC. The company announced the India launch date for the Motorola Razr 5G via its Motorola India Twitter account. It confirmed that the foldable phone will be unveiled in India on October 5 at 12 p.m. noon. The phone will be sold via Flipkart. Motorola is also taking registrations of interest on its site. Motorola Razr 5G, expected price in India. The Motorola Razr 5G is likely to be priced in India around the same range as its US price. It was launched at $1,399.99, roughly 1 rupee and 3 paise lakhs, for the sole 8GB plus 256GB storage variant in the US. The phone comes in 3 color options: blush gold, polished graphite, and liquid mercury. Motorola Razr 5G specifications, features. Talking about the technical specifications, the Motorola Razr 5G foldable phone runs on Android 10 with MyUX on top. It features a foldable 6.2-inch plastic OLED, 2142 by 876 pixels, main screen with a 21:9 aspect ratio. There is a secondary 2.7-inch, 600 by 800 pixels, glass OLED screen with 4:3 aspect ratio. The Motorola Razr 5G is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 765G SoC and an Adreno 620 GPU, paired with 8GB RAM. It packs 256GB of inbuilt storage. The foldable phone sports a 48-megapixel primary shooter with f/1.7 aperture. Camera features include OIS, laser autofocus, and quad-pixel technology for better low-light sensitivity. For selfies, the Motorola Razr 5G features a 20-megapixel camera with f/2.2 aperture. There is a 2,800 mAh battery with support for 15 watts turbo power fast charging inside the Motorola Razr 5G. The phone features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. Connectivity options on the phone include USB Type-C port, both 5G and 4G support, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/NAC, NFC, GPS, a GPS, and GLONASS. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.